Yo, there's a boy.
Mwega muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na Membe TV ngwiraga haha niho mucii wigwe wi mucii ni njuikaine ta muru wa Kimani. Video ino iragitrend mwena uria wa nenda-ini u ni thutha wake kuonekana Karangu Muraya na ini ngurani JCM magikungwira haria hamwe na Kezia wa Kariuki uria akiri mutumia wa mbere wake Bishop Ben kana Muthee Kiengei yagitrend kuria kule makina ithe wa kana gakwa arathimwo ni thutha wake gwika birthday nere agitrendire na githi na mbere wega. Riu ni video ino ni gutomorire oni ngurani thutha wao kuonekana magikungwira muno ara turona ngina aba magicomment makiuga ati some friend ni makiwikire githia na mbere chini ya mathi. Kuna tabit Teresa Wili atiriri, Joy is young and very mature. Joy is not second wife. Huyu ameoleka tena na ndoa ikashinda kwengine. Nyambura chegeka gwatire Kezia, you're just imagining and wishing, but Joy is the wife now. Jabi wabo yakauga atiriri, they surely know something Joy does not know. No ni ngurani uria ugituguritwo tona wa mucio hawa kaine ta Becky Bakapa kauga atiriri, and remember all these people are friend of that person they call the Kana. Seems they is that thing know about toreta githoma hau mbere tabitha kauga atiriri, Joy and your husband hawa wasiwai kuja DCM. Na video gituthurire ndeti nyingi andu makiruta woni waku ni uriku kuma na video ino comment hau thino teka subscribe hamwe na gushare Miaki na Membe TV.